This is the hi, I'm Shadman. This is the mini CFO Copilot, which give answers about some finance questions. So suppose I have this question. What was June 2025 revenue versus budget in USD? Then I get this answer. And so this is implemented in Hugging Face Streamlit. And if I have a different question about cash runway, so let the question be something like this. So I get this answer. So this is my implementation. Thank you.